Large language model, LLM. You hear it everywhere now, usually wrapped in mystery, like there's a mind in there. There isn't. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what one is, and the single, almost embarrassingly simple trick it runs on. Built from zero, let's go.
Here's the whole thing in one sentence. A large language model is a giant math function that, given some text, predicts the most likely next chunk of text. That's it. No magic, just a function that guesses what comes next. And the name tells you the rest if you read it backwards. Model, it's a mathematical model, just numbers, no mind. Language, its whole job is text. And large, it's enormous, billions of numbers inside. And that word matters more than you'd think.
You already know the trick because you use it every day. Your phone's keyboard, finishing your sentence. Type, "The cat sat on the," and it suggests Matt. That's prediction. Given the words so far, what's the most likely next word?
An LLM is that same idea, autocomplete, turned up to an almost unimaginable degree. Your phone guesses one word. The model has read so much text that its guess can be a whole essay, a working program, even a poem.
Let's watch it actually happen. We give the model a few words to start, once upon a, and it does exactly one thing. It scores every possible next word and gives each a probability. Time scores highest, so that's what it picks. Now here's the key move. It takes the word it just wrote, adds it back to the input, and runs the very same prediction again and again. Predict, append, repeat. That loop is how it writes whole paragraphs, one word at a time.
And that's the whole secret. There's no plan, no finished sentence waiting somewhere inside. Each new word simply becomes part of the question for the next one. Just the next step, then the next.
One honest detail. The model doesn't really work in whole words. It works in tokens, little chunks of text. Common words are usually one token, but a longer word like unbelievable gets split into pieces. Everything is just a stream of these tokens, each predicted from the ones before, and tokens get their own video next.
So where does the skill come from? Training. Before you ever talk to it, the model is shown a staggering amount of text, books, websites, code, conversations, and made to play one game billions of times. Cover the next word, guess it, check the real answer, and nudge its internal numbers to be a little less wrong.
Do that enough, and those numbers slowly soak up the patterns of language, grammar, facts, the rhythm of an argument. And here's the crucial part. Nothing is copied in word for word. There's no library of sentences inside. It's all baked into the numbers as patterns.
Now that first L, large, those two numbers are called parameters, and a modern model has billions of them. That scale is the whole reason this works. A tiny model just babbles. Give it millions and you get grammar. Pour in billions and to predict the next word, well, it's forced to pick up facts and reasoning too. Now, the most misunderstood point. The model knows nothing. No database, nothing looked up. When it says Paris is the capital of France, it isn't retrieving a fact. It's predicting that Paris is the most likely next word. The same trick can be confidently wrong, a hallucination.
So why does talking to one feel intelligent? Because to guess the next word well, across everything people have written, you have to absorb how language actually works. Grammar, facts, reasoning. Intelligence turns out to be a side effect of doing one simple thing extremely well at scale.
And that one idea is the doorway to everything else in AI. Why it splits text into tokens, what its context window is, how much it can read at once, the difference between training it and using it. If you want to poke at a live next word predictor yourself, there's an interactive version on unrote.com. The link's in the description.
Quick recap. 1. An LLM predicts the next chunk of text, then feeds its own guess back in and repeats. That loop is the engine. 2. It learned by playing that guessing game over a huge pile of text, tuning billions of numbers. 3. It doesn't know things, it predicts them, which is why it's brilliant most of the time and confidently wrong some of the time. That's a large language model. Built from zero, nothing assumed. It's autocomplete, scaled up until it surprises us. Next up, what are tokens? The chunks it actually reads and writes. This is Unrote. Understand it, don't memorize it.